Hello, this is Ripon Ochain Chapel from WPThemeHat, and today we have come with a very specific, interesting topic. If I go onto my post, you can see here I have 7,505 posts that I haven't made. It's come from a virus. Now I want to delete all of this post. So if I try to delete it like this with the uh, bulk deletion process, like this, then it will take so many time that I couldn't delete this all post at all in a quick time. So I'll try to delete this post at once. So for that we have a specific WordPress plugin. So I will go here on the plugins, then click on add new plugin, and I will type WP bulk delete. Then you will see that this WP bulk delete plugin. I will click on the install now button. After install, we need to click on the activate button again. Now we'll go to the WP bulk delete here and delete post this here. And here you can see the revisions and the trash and the auto drafts. I want to delete all of them. So if I click check on this, and I can run the cleanup here. It will say it will take some time because the number of posts that I have, that is 7,000. Can you even imagine? That is 7,000 posts. So it will take some time to delete all the posts data, all the stuff. Now the process is complete. If I go on the post now, the post is still here now. That was that it hasn't deleted all the post. If I go again here, and this was the cleanup. It was revision and it was trash and it was autographs, not the original post. So if I want to delete all my posts from here in here, then I need to go here in WP bulk delete, then I click on here and by post type. And in here post type items to delete the post, the number of posts, that is 7,485 posts, and that the previous cleanup, that was for the revision only. The post that I edit each time, that was that number. Now here is the post that I want to delete, so I will select this one and I can select the post status to published or scheduled or draft or private or trash. So I want to select all that, and older than, I will not select this one. Let's see what happened now. The other value that will remain the same. And the post delete type, I want to delete it permanently. I don't want to move it to the trash. Okay. So if I now click on the delete post, then let's see what happened. So in here I have seen that the process has stopped here, and if I now refresh it, then I will see that almost 5,000 of my post has been deleted. Now I will run the same process again. I will select it and I will check all these things if any things remain here, and I will delete it permanently and run it again, because the number of posts that I having, that is 7,000 posts. So that is not a natural thing. That's why it also cannot handle this thing. So I need to run these things again. So I'll run it again, and hope this time all the posts that I have now, almost 3,000, it will be deleted. So yeah, by running it second time, it has completed deleted all the posts, as you can see here. So this way we can delete all the post or by any custom post type. As you can see, there is no other custom post type. That's why the post type is not selecting here. And you can delete the posts by taxonomy, by author, or by title of the content, or by custom field, and by general. All the posts or pages or the font families or the font faces, you can delete it from here. You can select the author that are available here. So this way you can delete most of the things that you want to bulk delete. So thank you very much. And after deleting all the posts, you don't need this plugin to be installed and activate. You can delete it. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode.